Hey Ronnie, Ronnie, I'm feeling kinda hungry, but then you say you can order, but you can't eat it. Wait, that's so unfair.
It's a burdock. ごぼう Wash. Peel. Grate. Wash it again. Drain. Sake. Soy sauce. Black sesame. Flour and pinch of salt. Mix. Chicken breast. Grated burdock. Seasoning. Mix. I'm gonna put this in the fridge for 10 minutes. Meanwhile, let's make daikon oroshi, grated daikon radish. Wash your hands with some oil, making small patty. I could make 10 of these. Fry both sides. Drain the excess oil and down. So flavorful. I knew it. Gotta try. Thanks guys for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.